Okay, so plate of cheese, right? Let's pull this up. So these are the camembert rounds, and these are the mozzarella ones. But I just wanted to see if they were, I mean, they're nice, but, oh, actually, they don't bring a cheese ball. Not really. But the mozzarella does taste nice in them. I just wanted to try them. And these are hot. And these are the camembert rounds, which I'm just going to put some cheese on now because we know for a fact they're going to... Oh my God. Yeah. These are 10 minutes, these are. I want some sweet chilli on them, I think. Right. We need to let things cool down, Janine. We need to. Should we see? Should we see? Oh, they are oozing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hang on. Have you eaten today? Because if you haven't, let's eat. Something's better than nothing. Let's get... Oh! Sweet chilli. Now I'm in my hair. I really wish we had, is it Raisin Canes? Is it that American one where they bite in, it's like the cheese ball to max? I really wish we had that. It's a bit too runny that way. They are cheesy, but they're not pilly. Does that make sense? You know what I mean. These, however, I just wish that with mozzarella that was this pilly. Do you know what I mean? I can't talk too much because these are really cheesy. Oh, that's a bit better, isn't it? I don't care what anyone says, but cheese is actual life. I don't know, weird things in my kitchen. Anyway. Was that too much cheese? Have a good day.